we need to educate, we need to spread the awareness, and more than anything else, we need to get tested. There has been considerable progress, I would say, since the past few years, which I have been experiencing.
Every World AIDS Day strives me to work more efficiently, smartly, and innovatively. India, inshallah, will very soon reach to a place where there are zero new infection cases in India. Ending AIDS can only happen when countries, bilateral agencies, funder agencies who are based out of the country contribute generously towards ending the epidemic.
First of December is observed as World AIDS Day internationally. My take is that it's been 35 years since we have been facing this epidemic, but it's not over yet. There is still the epidemic is there. We need to get it in control, especially for a country like India where it's a huge population and there's a lot of migration happening. It's very challenging to work in India with the given circumstances. So we need to educate, we need to spread the awareness, and more than anything else, we need to get tested. Because unless and until you get tested, we will not know your status. And once we know the status and we are on treatment, that itself is a way to prevent the virus from spreading. So it's important to break the stigma and discrimination, use condoms for safe sex, as well as get tested.
Every World AIDS Day strives me to work more efficiently, smartly, and innovatively. The reason why I say it really strives me is because of every year I look at the statistic of globe and then compare it with my country. I see a huge difference where my country, India, is just not progressing and taking baby steps, but it is hopping. And those jumps, the hopping jumps, are really quite big. So that really strives me. India, inshallah, will very soon reach to a place where there are zero new infection cases in India.
Uh, what are the solutions to reach that place? And by what, like, if there is a deadline or timeline, I might ask you. Can you just tell us about where do you expect it to be?
So, the global expectation to end AIDS is by 2030. However, that really looks very ambitious. The only reason why we say really very ambitious is because the resources that is required to have this last lap cover is taking a troll, is taking a little bit of a U-turn, a pause in its resources, and that's where we face a financial crunch while we talk of ending AIDS. Ending AIDS can only happen when countries, bilateral agencies, funder agencies who are based out of the country contribute generously towards ending the epidemic.
This Manvendra Singh Gohil is the crown prince of Rajput Department of LGBT. He is the true prince